Would you recommend investing in real estate elsewhere in Europe, Spain, Italy, or only focus on German real estate? So we have a couple of clients where their siblings or parents or friends or something are still back in their home country, and then they do real estate there. Um, but from a tax perspective, and I think I also discussed it with Dirk a while ago, from a tax perspective, it's easier for everyone, especially for you, if you just focus on the German market. You get all the tax deductions, and real estate is a huge tax game if you really think it through. And you don't make any rental income outside of Germany that potentially is taxed here. So I think it would just be easiest to start here. And a question that we also get quite often, can you get money from a German bank in order to buy something in Spain or in Italy? Doesn't work. So the bank always looks at three different things. Where are you? Where's the property? And where's the employer? And it's always good if two out of these three are in Germany. And one of those has to be the property. So a German bank is not going to finance a property in Spain or in Italy. And I'm not sure if you would get a mortgage from a Spanish bank if you're not in Spain and your employer's not in Spain and everything.
Yeah, even market-wise, I mean, you might get it cheaper there in Spain or Italy. It might be more Airbnb thing like tourists, right? But you have to look at the demand in living here in Germany. It's huge. We have so many people coming. We talked last time also about that. It's increasing and increasing. So the future for real estate market in Germany, it's amazing. Plus, you're getting all these tax benefits. And don't forget, if you invest in another country, you have to tax it, right? You have to tax it there. It's kind of complicated. It seems nice, price, direct maybe on the beach. Yeah, that's a different strategy. But here in Germany, it's also completely different. And laws and rules, don't forget them too, right? So.